receipt says funding related to illegal contributions and support from some people. In the studio, Goldberg, Fox, Connecticut.
We had some scattered strong storms move across the state this afternoon, starting in western Connecticut around 2:30 and spread through eastern Connecticut. Got some of the strongest storms, though, with wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour, and also downpours. Lots of lightning. Right now, we still have a couple of leftover showers and a lingering rumble of thunder. Right now in Litchfield County, I'm going to stop the radar and zoom in here. You can see we just got a lightning strike around Washington. We're in a heavy downpour right now in Preston, and we'll continue to see just an isolated shower, thunder shower, as we move throughout the remainder of the coverage as we head through the next, I'd say, 3-4 hours or so. So tonight, mostly cloudy, a lingering shower or rumble of thunder. Temperatures in the 50s this week. It is not looking pretty. Full forecast. You might not want to see it coming up in just a bit, guys.
Rachel, thank you. Still no word tonight on what caused a massive fire that destroyed an old Summersville mill this weekend. The fire started at the Summersville Manufacturing Company on Maple Street around 2 a.m. Saturday. The mill has been abandoned for years. It was once home to a fabric company. The fire prompted evacuation. Scandic River, but aerial pieces, pictures, etc. Try and look for the major extent. The mill was built back in the 1860s, but has been vacant since 1988. This is the first historic building to have been flames in Summers recently. The Congregation of the United Church of Christ burned down in January.
East Hampton town officials will meet this week to talk about rebuilding the 700-year factory. Fire officials believe lightning set the 180-year-old factory on fire last week. The meeting will be Tuesday night at 6:30 at the high school. Council members also plan to discuss how to recognize the 32 different fire departments who helped put out the blaze. Or Matt Bevin has been invited to attend. A Meriden man under arrest tonight accused of threatening to set his house and his family on fire. Officers responded to Pasco Street around 8 last night, where 49-year-old Robert Methvin was on the second floor with a lighter and a hammer. Police were able to get Methvin's family out safely, and eventually he surrendered. Inside the house, police found a gas container. Methvin faces multiple charges and is being held on $750,000 bail. He's due in court tomorrow. An elderly couple from North Haven managed to escape a fire in their home early this morning. It happened on Frost Drive.